Hello everyone, my name is Nirali. I am 4 years old. I am in SCC. Today I am eating cupcake.
And which flavor it is?
It is chocolate flavor, and this
Chocolate?
is. Now I will show you how it is made from. It is made from dark chocolate and some
Yeah.
chocolate from and chocolate syrup. Now I will show you.
I can see the toppings. Yusuf, what are these? That yellow color?
These are gems. We can use any chocolate.
Perfect. So tell me that why you are eating it. Like who made it? Who cooked this cupcake?
Shilappi. My sister.
So you demanded it?
Yes.
Perfect. Say thank you to Silu Appi, Jinu Appi,
Thank you.
Zad Bhaiya.
Thank you.
And my brother also made it.
Okay.
Thank you, Radvia.
Welcome.
Thank you. Welcome. Bye bye.
Welcome.